I'm Angel. If you're one of my amazing subscribers, welcome back. And if you're new to this channel, I hope that you hit that subscribe button down below and never miss another video. Okay, so I loved Boohoo. I want to say that's how you say it because it's not Boho because it's two O's. I loved Boohoo so much that I was like, let me just go and see what else they got. So my birthday is coming up and I'm like, yeah, I need some clothes. I got a couple clothes. I can't wear it all on my birthday, but I will wear one of them. Y'all should comment down below and tell me which outfit should I wear for my birthday. So the first outfit I got is like this sweater dress. It is this green color. It does look a different green than it does in person. Yeah, because it looks a little bit more blue. Yeah, that's better. I guess when I back it up. So it's this green. It says Icon on it. It does have a hood. And guys, this is a size 2. A 2X. No, it's not. Because I'm not in that. It's a size 12. I got 4 outfits and everything is a size 12. And yeah. Let's try them on. I just found out that I was in a size 14 jeans and bottoms. And so I was like, well, let me buy a bunch of 12s and see how they fit. So this is gonna be my first time trying these things on. I'm nervous, I'm excited. I know y'all just like, girl, just try the goddamn clothes on. But listen, honey, I've been losing weight and I was just in the 18 like a month or 2 ago. So this is a huge thing for me if I can fit all these 12s. Let's just try them on, y'all. Oh, it's a size 12. This is so weird. Oh, I'm so happy, guys. Oh my god. Okay. So this is a size 12. I hope the other outfits fit as good as this one does. So I really like it. It's just simple. Something, you know, you can wear around the house. You can wear it for like a little chill thing with your friends or whatever. I'd wear this like with some sneakers, you know, just something real cute, something real chill. It does have a hood. The hood is kind of small, I will say that. But I don't really wear hood, so I guess it's okay. So I would give this a 9 out of 10 just because the hood is like extra small and I had to kind of pull my head through it. But everything else, I love it. Like, this is hella cute, y'all. Like, where she think she going? Who she going chill with, girl? Where you going? Where you going chill? Caco? That's what this is giving me. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, so this one's a little tighter. I'm definitely gonna have to have a different type of bra on. I feel like it's tight up here, so I could even like do no bra. And it's definitely hugging my little pooch, but that's okay. It's still super cute, still hella cute. It's still a look, y'all. Still a look. I love the sleeves, which is why I bought it. The sleeves is honestly what made me want to buy it. There we go. The sleeves is what made me want to buy it, y'all, because I was like, this is so cute. So I was thinking about wearing this one on my birthday. So what you guys think? Comment down below what your favorite outfit was, which one you guys think that I should wear for my birthday. So I took the bra off, guys, and it's just a whole nother look. Like, it's a whole nother look, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So I absolutely love this one. I love the color. I love it. It's like silk. I love how it feels. I love how it looks on me. The only thing I wish it had was a belt. I don't know what this is. Is this a belt? Oh, because I'm tugging it and I can feel the strings right here. So maybe you do tie this. Let's see. Would that go like that? Oh yeah. Like that, I guess. This is cute. This is hella cute, y'all. What y'all think? Does this say I'm 27 years old? Because that's how old the girl turned. I love it. This is so cute, y'all. I can't believe that this is a 12. Like, This is a size 12. Like, wait. Ugh. Yes, this is cute. You can wear this. I feel like you can wear this for a sexy night. Girl, you can wear this just going out. You can wear it to bed because it's a little short. You know what I'm saying? It's a little short. Get your little sexy on. This is just everything. Yes. Pattern. It's really pretty. I love the colors. I love everything. But I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like open. Like I'm gonna give like lingerie, you know, lingerie underneath this, baby suit underneath this, just like just come home, be waiting, and then pow pow. You know what I'm saying? It's a look. This is the very last piece I have, guys. This is hella cute too. I love this. This is so cute. I thought it was gonna be too tight, but it actually, it's not stretchy, but it do have like maybe like a 5 or 10% stretch. So maybe it have a little spandex in it, because the yellow dress didn't have any stretch, but this one is like 5% stretch. But it's the same material as the yellow dress. But this is just so cute. I feel like I could also wear this one without a bra. What y'all think? Is this birthday outfit? What y'all think? Does this say it's my birthday? It's my birthday, y'all. This one is cute. Honey, yes. Honey, yes. This one is hella cute, y'all. Like, what y'all think? I can't believe that all of these outfits are a size 12. I'm still trying to wrap my head around that all of these outfits are a size 12. I still don't believe it. It's nothing, okay? It's nothing, baby. So this is the last outfit that I had to try on for you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this haul. Make sure to comment down below any outfit that you like, that you think I should wear for my birthday. I'm feeling more inclined toward this one, but comment down below, tell me what you guys think, which one you think looked the best on my body that says birthday. You know, not the one that was the cutest, but the one that says it's my birthday, because the girl is trying to look right, okay? I'm trying to say 27, hello. So just make sure to comment down below whichever one y'all think was the cutest. I'm feeling this one, but comment down below what y'all think. I will have the link to every single piece of clothing that I tried on down below in the description box. I'm still geeked that this whole thing was a size 12. I liked the way all of them fit except the yellow one. I probably could have got a 14 in that dress, but I'm still gonna be losing weight, so it's fine. So yeah, if there's any other type of clothing haul that you guys would like to see next, make sure to comment down below. I've been ordering so many clothes. I've been trying not to order clothes because I'm gonna be losing weight for the next 6 to 7 months. You guys don't know, I had a surgery. You gradually lose weight. I'm in a size 12 right now, and it haven't even been 1 month. It hasn't even been 1 month since I've had the surgery. So yeah. So I'm trying not to spend too much on clothes, but comment down below some stores that y'all want me to see. I have a Shein haul coming for you guys. If you guys would like to see Fashion Nova Curve or anything, comment down below, and I'll make sure to get some clothes so that I can try for you guys, because I'm loving this, and I love clothes and I love shopping. So this is my way, you guys helping me shop. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, stay dope. Bye.